Hey, what's up everyone? It's Bit Me Some back with another Hbar video, Hedera Hashgraph. Alright, so yesterday I made a video. Obviously, if you look, I'm zoomed out right now on the 4 hour. If you notice, we're kind of in a downtrend right now. So, overall downtrend. So, there's a few major supports. Like, I don't know what this guy is. Let me take him off. See, right, this guy was the main support coming down. But we broke it, going a different way. I don't think we would need that anymore. If you notice in a previous video I was mentioning this triangle that could be forming. That's where we're bouncing around at. And then obviously this big giant one. So we'll see how that plays out. And then zoom into more recent price. So, and then in that triangle we were forming this bullish flag or bearish flag, if you notice. I got it highlighted. So yeah, so that's what we were in right now. So if we're in that, that's when we zoom into this. Make it a little lighter. We broke it down here. And then came back and retested this line up here and rejected again. And then that's when we stopped here at 22.25. And then we caught a bounce. Let me go to this 1 hour. Yeah, so this 1 hour, looking a little closer, you get more candles. So yeah, I was just watching it. So yeah, we were coming down for a bit, and then we caught a bounce, and then inside of, if you notice this triangle, it formed after a while. Obviously you kind of could just follow it down from here, and then you caught that resistance right here, then the bounce up. So this triangle now, yeah, so then that darker triangle right here we were forming, I might have moved it a little bit. So it was something like, cause you see the trend line already back there off of this one. So yeah, well, we had this trend line before, because we already, once these two touched, you just followed it up, and of course it came back and touched it. So, and inside of that triangle, when we zoomed in even more, let me make it a little lighter now, we formed this triangle. So just getting closer and closer to the action, we just keep forming all kinds of different patterns that, see, even on the 4 hour, it was bouncing around in there. Alright, so this is the 1 hour. So yeah, so now this is the triangle we're on right now. And if you notice, it was dancing in there. Came up, came down. So these were the two supports. Came up. We broke it, but didn't close outside of it, really. Came back in with the new bullish red candle. Doji candle. Couldn't make up its mind. And it just, like I said, it just couldn't pick up. So inside of this major triangle is what I seen this smaller triangle forming, but what was directing me that way was the fact that it was breaking out of this trend line right here that was following up. So once it broke across that, it let me know it was coming into this triangle. And this triangle actually broke out of it, gave it a retest, and then came back in it, came back up again, and then broke back down. So out of this triangle, we just broke down out of it. And that's what is confirming it going to the downside. And if you notice, this major trend line that we already had here, this guy, it came right back down to it perfectly. So right now, as we make this video, it just bounced up, but it was, the wick is right here at the line at 24.80, and it bounced up to 24.89 right now. So we did find support on that major trend line. So we'll just have to wait and see. But if you notice now, we're zooming back out again. We're still in this major bull flag, the big one. So inside of that, that's the trend line we pretty much found some support in. So we could be breaking out of this flag back into this major triangle. And then, so if we break this line and then we break this line, so both of those lines, then we could be coming back into this major trend. It's either that first line or even this line right here, which are the two next major supports. And this major next line coming in is at 23.40. So, and like I said, we're in this little flag right now. So for it, oh, did I do that? Oh man, something like that. So yeah, so that's where we're at right now. I think if we will definitely keep you updated with the next price action happening. So yeah, it looks like we're stuck on that trend line right now. Could this be a triple top maybe? Something like this, triple top bearish reversal. Triple bottom, so it'll be triple top or triple bottom. Let's see what it looks like. Triple top, triple bottom. So from that top to the top. Uh-oh. Yep, that's a triple top. That's a triple top. So like I explained in the first earlier, from the top of the candle, start of the wick to the top of the wick, bring it across. If no candle closes inside of that, confirms that it's a triple top. So yeah, that might have been this triple top over here. The bottom right, come up 1, down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're down. That's the triple top right there. So that's why we found support right here, right at this. So we could actually be coming down to 24.75 or 24.83 right now. So yeah, we just hit a triple top. I mean, we could be coming down to this 24.41 if we break this trend line. So Definitely have to keep up with this volume, see what happens. Let me check the RSI. So the stock is real low, coming down. The RSI is low. Let me change this MACD. 8, 21, and 5. That's for the MACD. And let me change the brightness. That should be alright. Alright. So we did cross way up here. And that's what's probably confirming this coming down. Everything's coming down. RSI, the MACD, everything's low right now. So it could just be, yeah, so if we come in here, we could probably find the bounce off of here. We'll have to see something like that maybe. Could be. Just depends how far this triple top comes down. And we'll have to see if we see, or actually, that is a triple top. But then again, it's almost like another flag. Well, I guess it broke the flag if it was right here. So yeah, if that was a flag, it broke the flag coming down. So I think if we'll usually come down to where we started the flag at, and that's around 23.75. So we'll wait and see. I'll keep you guys updated with the next video later today. This is the Hedera Hashgraph Hbar video, 1 hour time frame. I appreciate everybody watching. I'm getting a lot of views on these videos, but just make sure you like and subscribe. That way it can help the video out, get some more views on it, help with the algorithm and stuff like that. I would really appreciate that. I appreciate everybody watching. Have a good day. Thanks.